how to show live FPS with GPU watch on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search GPU watch. So scroll down and you will see GPU watch is here. So click on GPU watch. So first of all, turn on this button. So after turn on this button, so you will see FPS. FPS traffic is here. So if you want to delete, so delete this icon. So if you want to add, so click on this plus icon. So after click on this plus icon, so click on custom widget. So after click on custom widget, so if you want to add sulfuric FPS, so turn on this button and click on OK. So after click on OK, you will see FPS suffix is here. So you will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, you will see. Refresh phone. So that's how you can show live FPS with GPU watch on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.